By left-clicking on the AutoCAD page, we select Objects. In this way, when we click, if we move the mouse to the left or right, colored limits are created, so that any object that falls within this range becomes selected. Of course, creating this range by moving the mouse, left to right or right to left, compared to the points we clicked, has some differences, which I will teach later. Anyway, we move the mouse until we want the range to continue, and click. We will do it. Look at the slow motion scene again. You see? All the drawings in the color range being in the selected state. In this state, if I press the Escape key, the drawings that are in the selected state will exit from this state.
Right-clicking on the screen also opens a window, but we won't discuss it for now.
In AutoCAD, we can call a command in several ways. One way is to type the title of the command. I want to call the zoom command. So I type Z. As soon as I type the letter Z, windows open that suggest commands, and the zoom command is at the top of all. Anyway, after typing Z, I press the Enter key. In AutoCAD, the Enter key in the spacebar on your computer keyboard perform the same function, so you can use either one interchangeably. We can see that several commands appear in the command line. I click on Extend Word. We can see the amount of zoom in different ways it will be arranged that all the drawings can be seen on the page. To save the changes, just click on this icon. So in your notebook, pressing this key on the keyboard deselects the selected drawings. Right for this, to save the changes, just click on this icon. Make this phrase bold. I mean, to call the zoom command, we first type the letter Z and press the Enter key, and then click on the Extend word. As a result, all drawings are visible on the page.
Please note, by pressing the keys Ctrl and 9, we can hide or display the command bar. This section doesn't have an AutoCAD exercise. You just need to complete the first level of the game and follow the tutorial.